All right, folks, we're back. It's been in there for 24 minutes. In fact, I made it a little longer. I did stop it in between to add on my spicy goodness here. Oops, I can't even lift it up. I'll set it down. So I add this to one of the bone marrows. See how it looks. Pretty exciting. And I got my heat-resistant gloves. It was too hard to use tongs, so set it down and see what it looks like. Here we go. Okay, oh my. Boy, how am I gonna do this? I almost use my left hand. Oops. There we go. Gosh, I do need tongs. Oh, here we go. Whoa, look at that sucker. Beautiful. I'll set that down. Really tough to do with one hand. Here's the other one without any of the goodness. Set that down. Close the sucker back up. Okay. All right. Sorry about the angles here. This is a little better, hopefully now. So there you have it. That's what they look like. So this both just started with garlic and black pepper, crushed black pepper. 24 minutes in the air fryer. The steak setting, highest heat of 380. About 6 minutes left, I added this beautiful spicy concoction to here. I didn't want that to overcook, so got my tools here. Go to the left. I'm gonna enjoy it with. I'm gonna keep my gloves on because the bones are gonna be really hot. In order to spoon some of it out, so I'm gonna try this with this first. There we go. Oh boy. Oh, there's the good stuff right there. See how that looks. Oof, can't wait. I'll take off the gloves after that. And then over here, I think I'm gonna put this sticky rice in a bowl. Oh boy, look at that. Set that aside, take off my gloves. Don't need it anymore. I'll try this, see how it tastes. My goodness. It's pretty light, not as salty as I remember it. Buttery, literally just melts in your mouth. And here I have sticky rice, which I just made. Still steaming hot. Try this. Oh my goodness. Talk about gluttony. Here we go. Delicious. One more. Look at that sucker. Wow. Amazing. Thanks for joining me.